Hello, welcome to our direct marketing online training. This is Sami Tan. Some of you were invited here by friends. You were sent this video. Others were invited by me through Facebook and LinkedIn. Direct marketing online is actually direct selling online, but direct selling done on a proper way. I will teach you how to do it properly so that hindi siya nakakahiya, hindi mo kailangan mag-alok, hindi mo kailangan mag-beg o makaawa at maggumawa ng stroke, no? And to those of you who were invited by me, either by Facebook or LinkedIn, I just have one question to you, and that is, at any part of the process, did it feel like binebentahan kita o napilitan ka? If you said no, I never felt that way, then precisely that's how people will feel if you do it properly. Because direct marketing done properly is very professional. You will look good and feel good. You will make other people feel good as well with their decision. So they are the ones who made the choice, hindi mo sila pinilit. So let's proceed with the lesson. Welcome to an orientation on direct marketing online. This is Sami Tan. Who am I? To give you a little background, I'm the top distributor of Relieve. I'm a Direct Selling Association Hall of Famer and formerly one of the top 10 agency managers of Film Plans and formerly the country manager for Success Motivation Institute by Paul Meyer. Okay, the Success Motivation Institute train salespeople to be successful in selling. So when it comes to direct selling, siguro naman alam ko yung sinasabi ko. Okay, and if you know Paul Meyer is the father of the motivation business. At nag-umpisa siya as an insurance salesman. He sets a goal for himself during the 1960s to sell $1 million a year, and he was able to hit it. Then he set a goal to sell $1 million in 1 month, and he was able to hit it. Then he set it at 1 week, and he was able to hit it. And finally, he set it at 1 day, and he was able to hit $1 million in 1 day. Okay, so he was the one who's set up the training for many insurance companies, no? So doon ako nanggaling at na-train ako sa insurance, sa pre-need, at finally na-train ako sa Success Motivation Institute, and nagamit ko yung mga kaalaman ko sa Relieve to be one of its top distributor and to be a Hall of Famer. Okay, now I have since transitioned to online direct and indirect marketing. So lahat ng skill na nalaman ko, I was able to apply it to online marketing. And this is what I will be teaching you in the coming days. Now I have to be straight with you what to expect. There will be 3 overview training, no? The first is this one, an overview of direct marketing online, and second one is an overview of entrepreneurship and leveraging, and then an overview of what is Relieve. If you decide after this 3 training that you wanted to continue, you wanted this direct marketing, you wanted to do it, then to opt in, you have to sign up as a distributor in Relieve. Then your actual training will start. Direct marketing online is about the right way of selling and duplication at hyper speed. This is what we're going to do. Bakit naman you have to sign up as Relieve distributor? It's because the product that we'll be selling online are Relieve products. Okay. Now, what is the hardest part of selling? Hindi ba the hardest part is sinong kakausapin ko, saan ko sila hanapin, and paano ko sila approach, anong sasabihin ko? Now, all of those are very hard. Okay, and the typical sales organization doesn't teach that. In fact, the typical sales organization asks you to make a list of people you know. Now, if some of you have been part of sales organization, alam nyo na ito talaga ang ginagawa nila. And they will ask you to make a list of people you know, yung warm market and hot market. Okay, and then they will ask you to call them up, set an appointment in order to make a presentation of your products and services. They are teaching you to call on people like a sales rep. and they teach you how to hard sell by closing them, with techniques like assume close, trial close, those things. Okay, so those are a typical sales organization, what they ask you to do. But what they don't tell you is this: your hot market is your dream stealer. Sila nagdi-discourage sa inyo usually. And your warm market is the slowest and hardest market to approach. If you try to approach them, mabagal din ang business mo. It takes a while to gain momentum unless you have a strong personality. Usually it takes at least 6 months for the warm market to believe in you and then to start trusting you. Okay, so um, that is the reality. But the typical sales organization will always ask you to go after the warm market. When you go for direct marketing online, you don't need your warm market. In fact, I will teach you to go after people you don't know. I will teach you where and how to find them and what to look for. I will teach you what to say, and you will be the boss qualifying and disqualifying people. No longer will you be the one approaching people and being rejected. Baliktad to. Sa direct marketing, ikaw ang nagre-reject. Okay, pag di mo nagustuhan ang sagot nila, walang offer. Disqualified sila. Okay, don't you like that? Your main objective when you go after direct marketing online is to connect. It is not to make a sale. It's just to connect, read their profiles, and pay attention to their details. Qualify and disqualify by asking a few key questions and watching how they answer. This is called chatting or messaging skills. Then, for those who are interested or qualified, you channel them to our orientation or meeting online. Or you can send them a video of our training. Now, ganun lang kasimple ang gagawin nyo. The advantage of this process, it's very simple to duplicate. It only takes 20 encounters to learn to do it on your own. And you can do it at the comfort of your home. You don't need to fight traffic anymore. You can do business internationally and earn commission locally. It's a earn while you learn business. You will master a business skill very quickly, and in turn you can teach others to master it the same. Okay? It will give you confidence to apply it offline with your warm market. Once nasanay ka na, marunong ka na mag-chat, lahat ng sinabi mo sa chat, yun din ang sasabihin mo sa warm market mo. Yung mga questions na tinanong mo, yun pa rin ang mga questions tatanong mo sa warm market because it's the same skill. Now, ang requirement will only be this. I need you to set a time for training and learning. So, if you don't have time for training and learning, then you cannot do this. I need you to make a commitment to sell relief product as the main line. Since tuturuan ko kayo how to sell, siyempre, lugi naman ako kung hindi relief products ang binenta nyo. The training that I'll be giving you is for free. If you try to get this training elsewhere, it will probably cost you mga $200, no? Just to learn it. Okay, but I'm giving it to you for free. In return, of course, paano ako babawi? Babawi lang ako if I train you well and you are able to sell the relief products. The sign-up fee for relief is $3,500. It includes $2,500 worth of products. So the sign-up fee is your tuition for the course. So if after the third training you decide you wanted to do this, then please prepare the sign-up fee. Once you sign up, we will continue with your training. I will show you the nitty-gritty of how I do this business. The benefits for you is you will acquire skill that you can use on any products and any market. This skill can be applied to anything online. You can be productive even at home without fighting traffic. You will have access to the best product in the market and help other people with their health challenges. And then you will earn commission worldwide. Okay, if you want this benefit and you want to be part of it, then you have an assignment. You can start adding friends in FB and connection in LinkedIn. If you don't have FB or LinkedIn account, you should start opening one. And many people are so private, they're afraid to add people into their friend list, because they're afraid that baka may mga information makuha sa kanila. But it works both ways. You cannot get information from them also kung hindi mo sila inad. So, start adding people in your FB and start connecting in LinkedIn. Say hi to them without any agenda. Just make friends for now, okay? Just make friends. And then practice reading profiles in LinkedIn. And then in the next few seminars and training, I will show you more, no? So the next two training is what is Relief and why it's ideal for direct marketing, and then entrepreneurship and leverage. Okay, so if you like the training and you would like to continue, stay tuned for the next movie.